Special message from Coles. 10 cents from the purchase of each 200 gram Eureka Premium Blueberries will be donated to the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation to a maximum of $75,000. Buy lots of blueberries. Today I'm going to make a lovely pudding with these amazing blueberries. Now, blueberries have changed in my lifetime. You now have these giant numbers which absolutely pop in your mouth. They're crisp, almost crunchy, and I do love them on my breakfast cereal. But today I'm making a pudding, and it's made with eggy bread with a combination of challah, which is another egg-based sweetish bread, and a croissant. First thing I have to do is butter my molds. Now I'm going to cut the bread I've selected into small cubes, about 5 millimeters. Very roughly chopped, as you can see. Now the next thing, I'm going to just crack my eggs and mix it with a couple of tablespoons of sugar. And in they go. With that, I need to put in 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. Quick whisk. And I'm going to take one of these punnets of these beautiful Eureka blueberries. Wow, don't they look fantastic? And most of the bread, I'm going to leave a bit out just in case I've got too much in there, and give that a stir. Now the next thing that happens is that I've got to bring some milk to scalding point and pour it over this mixture, and then I'll let it stand for a little while so that the bread has a chance to swell. Okay, so I'm going to use solid spoon first of all to make sure that every mould gets a good quantity of bread and berries. Perfect quantity for 4 puddings, and now I'm going to put this in the oven. The most important thing is half filling it with boiling water. Young cooks, you need help to do this. And now very carefully we'll push the tray back in, set our timer for 20 minutes. Okay, the timer has gone. I'm now going to just check that my puddings are perfect, and then they're going to come out and I'll take them out of the water bath. Perfect, a little bit of a wobble. Now this is just raw demerara sugar. It just stays granular, so it does give a lovely crunch. How beautiful is that?